Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to use path in AutoRoute. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's go to the app router where we have defined all our routes. We will do some modification. We will add the path and let's say for login it is /login. For main route it is / only. For home wrapper let's keep it empty. Product listing we can say like products, and for the detail we can say product only, right? Let's do a restart. Now we have to utilize this path, right? So let's go to that button where we are redirecting. So instead of push route, we can say dot named and we can say redirect to me product route. Now if I click on this button, it is redirecting me to the detail page, right? But if I'm going to the list page, like assume here a list of product is there, and if I'm clicking on any of the product, we have to pass the ID so that we can grab the details, right? So in our app router, we can say instead of product, it is like product /ID, and this colon is there to specify that this path is path param is dynamic, right? And here we can say /1. Now if I do a reload and go, okay, we are still able to redirect. But what about this parameter? How can we get that in a variable or in a context, right? So we will go to product detail page and say that I have a variable called as ID and which is required, and we will annotate it with path param. Let's utilize this variable, remove the const, save it, do a reload. Okay, we are able to get this one here, right? Now what if I don't want this parameter in a variable, right? What if I want the path params in a variable or in a function? We can say context dot route data dot path params, and we can just log it, right? Path params to string. If I go to, okay, you can see here we are getting the path params. And there is one more case, like if I go to our app router, here we have defined the dynamic param as ID and our variable is also ID. But what if the case is we have to name the variable as product ID? Then it will break because the mapping is broken, right? So we can change the annotation from this camel case one to the title case one, and we can say ID. So it will mark this ID or map this ID with this product ID, right? Now if I go to detail page, let's do a restart. Okay, we are good to go. Now let's move to the second part, which is query params, right? So in query params, we don't have to do anything in the auto write configuration. We can just go to the routing place and say that I am passing this variable like color equal to red, right? And let's say size equal to 12. Now color is red. Let's create a variable for that. We can say string color. Let's keep it nullable. Also add in the text widget, add a param, mark it as non-required. And instead of path param, we can say query param, right? And even our variable name is same, so it will extract it directly. So if I do it now, let's do a restart. Okay, we are getting all the details here. Same with the params here. We can say query param, query param, and we can just print it. Go to detail page. Here we are getting all the detail like the color, the size that we are passing to here. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. So in the next video, we are going to learn about deep link. Till then, like, subscribe, and comment.